Good morning, everyone. Welcome to HelloNote EMR's tutorial on the newest updates to our insurance grid. Today, we will be exploring how we can edit deductibles, coinsurance, and copay directly on the grid and check eligibility directly from our Actions button. Let's jump straight to the tutorial. The first step is to navigate to the Patients tab on the left side navigation bar. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the Patients page. Next, select a patient from the patient list on the left panel. I will go ahead and choose a demo patient. Once a patient is chosen, the patient's information will be displayed on the screen. We will go ahead and click on the Insurance tab at the top. As the insurance grid appears on the screen, we can see that the three amounts are displayed: deductibles, coinsurance, and copay. Let's try editing the three fields. Click on the edit icon next to the deductible amount. When the input field is opened, you will type in the number, then click on the checkmark icon on the right to save the update. Now the deductible is updated. Let's go ahead and try editing two fields at the same time. Follow the same steps as before. Change the coinsurance amount from 0 to 50 and the copay from 0 to 100. This time, you just need to click on one of the check marks to save the updates for both, saving you time. The new updates to the insurance grid also allow us to directly check eligibility from the grid. To do this, click on the Actions button. Select Check Eligibility. A pop-up will show up displaying the needed information to pass the check, and an icon will appear beside the insurance name to indicate the check result. As you hover over the result icon, it should display the last check date. Thank you all for following along with the tutorial on the new updates to our insurance grid. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any concerns, and feel free to check our knowledge base for more information on the new updates.